I got a little cut off at the end because only 10 minutes is allowed for the software program that I'm using that records the screen, just like you would print the screen. So, under credits, it starts with a title page that says directed and produced by Brad Enzer. And then the effect is titles and text. And then the preset is speedy. Yeah, why am I on the internet? Okay. So, we can go over to media generators, titles and text, and pull down until we see speedy. There it is. So what we can do is we can click on that and just put it in afterwards. And then we can type in directed and produced by Brad Enzer. And it's all one line. And then what we're going to do is text color. Let me just bring this over. Text color is not yellow. We're going to make it blue. And by the way, over here it doesn't say what color the title and text is. That part we're just going to go along as we go, and we're going to see what looks the best. And I'm going to be there with you guys, so don't worry about that. X out, and watch this. It's important. It's way too big. So now what we can do is on the very left, this time, it says generated media. And we're going to click on that film roll. And that's where we can highlight the directed and produced by. And we can make it smaller. In this case, we're just going to click 20. That's still too big. $16. X out. Still too big. We'll look at 9 just to see what the heck. And it looks like maybe we can make that a little bit bigger. Let's try 12. 3, the Hardy Boys. What we're going to do is we're going to pull that down to the bottom. So over where it says location, there's a little another caret. We're going to click on that, and we're just going to pull this bullet looking thing down to the bottom. X out. And there it is down at the bottom. And maybe we can go a little bit farther. Let's just play around with it, see what it looks like. Move it down to the bottom, right there. X out again, and that looks fine. I don't think we're going to get much better than that. And just for the heck of it, one more time, I'm going to see if we can go any bigger. This time I'm just going to type in 13. And that looks like it's just about perfect. Fits right on there. We're going to play it. And it's going to say that. It's going to show that. And that's about 5 seconds long. Now we need the credits. The credit roll. So we see we need credit roll, plain scrolling on black. So we're going to go in to this, and we're going to click credit roll, plain scrolling on black. And we're going to pull it down. And now this is where it gets a little tricky. So I want you to pay attention. First are the photographers, which it's all me in this case. I'll show 2 examples just so you get the hang of it. Photographers. So what you're going to do is it says title text. What you're going to do is you're going to click on that and you're going to hold down all the way over to where it shows 2 columns, because we don't really have title text. And then once this is highlighted, the title text, we're going to click spacebar and it opens it up, and we're going to type in photographers. And then over there in the right, I'm going to put my name, Brad Enzer. Now say there were more than one, which for the documentary for Jerusalem Mill there are going to be more than one. You would take this next one, which says sub item text, and you're going to go over the same thing we did with 2 columns, and you're going to leave this left one blank, and you're going to type in the next person's name, John Doe. Make sure it shows the 2 columns, Jane Doe. X out, and as they scroll up, it shows that, which I accidentally put item left. Now, see, it's going to show that. But I'm the only one. I'm not going to leave John and Jane Doe in there. So I'm just going to skip a line to the next one, and then what's next? Editors. Again, highlight the left one, editors. I'm going to put my name in there. So I'm going to do a few more, and so you guys don't have to skip ahead, I'm just going to pause this.